So you've probably heard of clang-format. Is a pretty nice tool where you can even add rules to it, so you can customize it to your liking, but there's an option that might be dangerous. So you know that in C, when you do something like this, so you know, if then do something, you don't need the braces here, right? And that's what this option does. It's RemoveBracesLLVM, and so if it encounters something like this where it can remove the braces, it will remove the braces, which in this case is fine. But well, if we have a macro with multiple statements, not that but this, we know this is already a bad idea. But well, I guess if you went into it thinking that it is safe, because well, we have wrapped it in braces here, so if you run clang-format, it's still gonna remove the braces, so it doesn't check if it's a macro or if it's a safe macro to remove the braces. Although of course that's also kind of your fault if you don't have it wrapped with a do while, but that's just something to think about before actually using it and have your code randomly broken for some reason because of clang-format. So yeah,